Hey, how's it going? So what kind of wood is Diggler going to play with today? Well, today I've got something special. So I've got this apple wood, I guess you'd call it. Well, it's an apple tree wood, I guess. And I'm going to show you how I make these chopsticks. Now, the funny story behind this apple wood is, well, my neighbor doesn't know it yet, but I cut down their tree while they're on vacation. So I guess that's their first surprise when they get home. And second surprise, I'm going to give them a set of chopsticks. We'll see how they take it, and let's see how they turn out. Let's get busy. So in this video I am using the Chopstick Master to make my chopsticks. Now the tool is fantastic, but this video is not sponsored by them, nor am I doing a review on the tool. I'm just using the tool and showing you how easy it is to make chopsticks. So the process of making them is actually quite quick and quite easy. You're just going to run a plane on two adjacent sides till it won't cut anymore, then moving the position from number 1 to number 2 and doing the opposite two sides. So making chopsticks I find is a great use of scrap material that you've got laying around. They sell incredible at markets, and they're also good for gifts. So after all four sides have been cut and the octagon has been made on the tip, I'm just going to put the little saw blade on the end of it and cut the finial to give it a nice refined look. Now, time for every woodworker's favorite part, sanding. But at least on chopsticks it's pretty quick. So here I'm going to apply some mineral oil on it, and with proper care, these chopsticks will actually last you a lifetime. And there you have it, a couple applewood chopsticks that I made. Now, they did turn out fantastic. And remember, if you haven't liked, subscribed, or commented, please do below. Would definitely help me out a lot.